Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Copilot for model driven apps. Copilot for model driven apps is for app users to get insights about data with a natural language. When I say model driven apps, it can be Microsoft provided apps like Dynamics 65 sales, marketing, customer service, or field service. Or it can be model driven apps created from scratch by you. Let me start my demo with the model driven app, which is Sales Hub. If I go to sidebar, I can see this icon over here, Sales Copilot. Sales Copilot is complete different product, and for that I have created a different video. Please refer that. The context of this video is Copilot for model driven apps. So let's start with the settings. Go to Power Platform Admin Center. Go to Environment of Sales Trials. Go to Settings. Click on Product. Click on Behavior. Release channel should be monthly. Under Features, we have to enable Copilot for model-driven apps. Allow users to analyze data using AI-powered chat experience in Canvas and model-driven apps. Please notice this is a preview feature. It means it is only enabled in US as of now, and based on the customer feedback, it will improve before general availability. Let me save it. Once I finish my settings in the environment, it should be visible in my model driven app. Let me refresh my screen. Now you can see, now we have two options: Sales Copilot, which is not the context of this video, and Copilot, which is I just enabled from settings from here. So what I can do with this Copilot? So let me demonstrate you benefits. For example, name all. Okay. So we got the all accounts. Click on show all on a page. Great. Another question. Okay. Another question. I got the answer. Let's move to third question. Great. Few more questions. Great. Teams Copilot doing great job. Apart from finding records or doing calculations, it also can help you in browsing different section of the product. As you noticed, based on your questions in natural language, you got the response with the help of Copilot. Sometimes what will happen in case you have some custom tables. In that case, you have to do different settings. So let me show you how to do that. Go to make.powerapps.com. Click on tables. In my context, I ask all of the question in context of accounts table. Go to properties. Click on advanced. And make sure two properties. track changes, and appear in search results should be enabled to get the answers with the help of Copilot. These two options are enabled by default in standard tables, like in our case, this is account. If you have your own custom table, you should make sure both the options are enabled. Let me uncheck this option, click on save, and let's see the impact. See, there are no accounts with annual revenue more than this. Since I have disabled the option, Copilot is not able to find the answer. Let me enable it again. So now we got the answer. So make sure to check the settings for your standard and custom tables in model driven apps to get the full benefit with the help of Copilot. You can clearly see how easy and fast it is to get data with natural language instead of going to different views and forms and doing complex calculations. The way I demonstrated you natural language queries in the sales app, you can do similar in marketing, field service, customer service, and your own custom applications. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website, which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.